In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Cursor AI with your GitHub account. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything flows smoothly. First, we need to head over to Cursor AI. Once you're on the platform, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll find a menu. This is where all the action starts. We're going to click on the integration option right there. Now, having access to various integrations can significantly extend the capabilities of any tool, and integrating with GitHub is no exception. So once you click on integration, our next task is to establish a connection with GitHub. For that, look for the Connect on GitHub button and click it. You'll then see the option to continue the process with Google, which is very convenient as it streamlines the login process without needing you to enter excessive information. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This step ensures that your accounts are linked correctly and that permissions are appropriately configured. Select the account you wish to use, and now comes a brief pause as the system loads. Don't worry, this is completely normal. It might take a few moments, but it's just preparing everything to ensure the integration works without any hitches. Once loaded, you'll need to authorize Cursor to interact with your GitHub account. This is crucial because it grants the necessary permissions for effective integration, allowing the two platforms to communicate efficiently. You'll see the Authorize Cursor button, so go ahead and click on it. This step gives Cursor the green light to proceed with the integration. After authorizing, you'll be prompted to install and authorize the application further. Click Install and Authorize, and once again, you may have to wait for it to load. This is the final countdown, I promise, but each step ensures that everything's configured in a way that's secure and efficient. Finally, after all the loading, the last step to complete this integration journey is to link your accounts. You'll see the option to link accounts. Click on it. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated Cursor AI with GitHub, setting the stage for enhanced functionality and streamlined workflows. To summarize, what we've accomplished will provide you with more robust capabilities and allow for smoother operations between Cursor AI and GitHub. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. If this guide was helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments or subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.